processes we have to follow. The first thing we've got to do is to add a substance called alum. Alum is spelled A-L-U-M. Alum. Can I hear you say alum? Alum. Good. Let me show you what an alum is. It's a whitish substance that looks like a rock. Okay? So when you put the alum in the dirty water, it is going to dissolve. When it dissolves, you won't see it again in the water. And then, after dissolving, it starts bringing all the dirts in the water together. And by the time the dirts come together, they become heavy and then sink in the water. So call it filtering. So at this point, I would like us to filter this because we can't wait for this to dissolve and coagulate. I'm sorry I'm using a big word. Okay, so we won't be able to wait for that. Now,